some example of inversions. Quite useful for your Zanni and Arlecchini that somehow end up often upside down. First, you need to create a good base, so a sort of tripod, so your head and hands create a triangle. These are the 3 points of contact. Then you walk very slowly towards your body and just lift your feet. So you can do that a few times to check if you can align your back. The second time, you walk and then you lift and bend your legs and then you come back again. You can do that a few times. Then if you feel confident, you can go to the next stage, that is lift your legs up towards the ceiling. No kicking, just a control going up. And then you can play. You can play with alternation of the legs and legs up, legs on the side, bend straight, and then eventually down in a controlled fashion. So this is the reason why we warm up our core muscles. Now we see another approach. So we start with our knees on the elbows, not on the floor. In this case, we align the back, starting with bended knee on the elbows, and then the principle is the same, legs up, controlled, and then down. Now you can see from the front, exactly the same, 3 points of contact, legs up, playing a bit, even yawning like a good Arlecchino and a good Zanni, and down. And now an example of shoulder standing. This is quite uncomfortable, so just to roll on the side, in this case left hand side, as you can see, and then slowly bend your leg, place them on the elbow, and then legs up. Let's see it again. Roll on the back, point of contact, elbow, forearm, right hand and the side of the face and shoulder. From the legs bend on the elbows, then go up slowly, no kicking, and then down again. And now let's see an example with a mask. Arlecchino, upside down.